After being out for most of the summer, well, all of the summer, let's be honest, we have some news about Eli Tomac. Obviously, he's back in for this weekend of motocross, but the bigger side of things is that he is back for WSX. Obviously, he's only raced one round back in 2022, which he won, which I think if he'd raced the other round, he would have had that championship easily too. Didn't race last year, which Ken Roxon won, and now he's in for this one, which WSX posted on their Instagram with the quote, Eli's back, and a little firework or whatever you want to call it. We've missed you, Eli Tomac. And who knows if this is a one round thing, if he's doing what is it, 4 rounds this year? Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's 4. And I think personally, if he does all of them, he's gonna have the championship. Uh let's say Roxon is quick. Let's put it that way, but it's been proven through many years of Supercross that Eli Tomac is either faster, more consistent, or just I don't know, better. I think if he does all 4 rounds, this is going to be his championship or, another championship for him. And it's kind of one of those things to see if he wants to do all 4 of them, if he can do all 4 of them, if he's healthy and up to race speed for it. Um, I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think, though. Personally, I think if he does all 4, he's going to win. I don't see Roxon being as consistent as Tomac can be or have the late race speed that he does normally. But like I'd like to hear from you guys. If he does all 4, do you think he wins? Are you excited for this? Do you think it brings some added excitement, added competitive to the WSX, which is I don't know, faltering, however you want to say it. But like I said, comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.